How to trade options in Webull. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Help Tech. In today's video, I'll show you how you can trade options on Webull. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now go to webull.com and open an account, and the first step is opening and funding your account. Open your browser and visit Webull's website. Opening an account is simple and there isn't a minimum deposit. Just enter your email address where you'll receive a verification code and a password. When you've successfully opened your account, you'll be redirected to a page where you can get information about insurance and investor protection. You can now download the desktop app or keep using your browser. Now log into the app and validate your identity. Use your email address and password to log in. After that, tap unlock trading on the right hand side. Now validate your identity by uploading photos of your driver's license. Alternatively, you can use your individual tax identification number, anything as such. Send an approval request. Trading options can be a risky endeavor. That's why Webull requires you to complete an application to see if you qualify. It consists of several questions regarding investment experience and financial profile. You'll receive a reply in 24 hours. Now when you have approved, tap the stocks icon on the left side. It's the second icon from the top of the screen. So as you can see, open any stock and tap the options tab from the top menu. You'll be redirected to the options chain for that stock. Now you can go ahead and begin trading. Beginners might want to take an introductory options trading course first. And that's all it takes to trade options in Webull. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, then make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.